5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, wow.
Oh, they're dancing.
Yeah.
Whoa.
This is amazing.
Cold bolognese on cold pasta that was ready 40 minutes ago.
We saw an aggressive sneeze at one point. When I saw it, I said absolutely not.
We just won a 10, a 9, and a 9. Okay,
There was
solving
no
point.
sneeze.
Maybe I eat the pecan. Did you want me to meet? Maybe.
Kevin, try the pasta.
And the crazy thing is,
Immediately wash my hands.
food's getting colder.
Let's do it.
Kevin,
You're right.
try the pasta.
3,
2, 1, reveal!